We just got a super cool color printer for branding security cameras. Soon we'll be able to brand your own company logo onto the products you purchase from us in full, vibrant color with a scratch resistant finish. I know, huge news. We're currently 3D printing special made molds for all of our security cameras that are blank. This is so the products stay completely secure and still while the color printer is doing its thing. It's a whole process. Jared, our Nelly's team member that is in charge of premium branding, has been spearheading a lot of this. I got to speak with him about it and he got to explain to me how it all works.
I'll show you our new color printer. Yeah, so this is LogoJet. This is one of their printers. We specifically chose them for their customer service, which has been great so far. There's so much room to maneuver around in the printer, which is what I'm personally excited. I always double check the height with my own eyes to make sure it's not gonna hit it, which is why I moved the print head of and forward, and it's just making sure that height is correct.
The color printing looks awesome. The color ink is instantly cured by UV light and gives the logos a weatherproof and scratch resistant finish. For most cameras, we'll be able to brand the color logos right onto the products themselves, but for the bigger PTZs that are too big to fit inside of the printer or abnormally shaped cameras that don't have a flat surface to print on, this printer can make high quality decals that we can print off and put right onto the products themselves. Check out Jared explaining how it all works.
Generally, I think some of the bigger cameras we will be able to do. There's also the shape of the camera that is gonna mess with it. But that is why we also got this printer, because it can also do the stickers. And it's basically like the decals we do for the NVRs. So this is the laminator machine that we bought from them. And what it basically does is you get these sheets that you print on here like you would just a regular paper sheet, and you get this laminate roll, basically glues the logo to it, and you're able to peel it off like a sticker and then put it on the camera. I think we had some over here. Oh, here's the example of the rolls though. So like that's kind of what it'll look like. So like this right here, this is one of them. But we just put that there, and we were testing the scratching, and it's basically that line right there. That's just taking the table off. It's pretty durable to the point where if you're scratching it, you're scratching the material underneath the sticker. You literally just peel it off like a sticker, hold it there for like a few seconds, and then it adheres to it. And it's basically gonna be like printing on the camera, but just as a sticker. But I mean, same ink, same everything. One of the things that was really cool about this machine was you can basically control the layers that print. And so on this printer, you have 8 layers you can control. And the way the decals work is what it does is it prints a clear layer first, then a white layer, and then a color, and then another clear layer. So you'll get some like texture with it as well. But those clear layers give it abrasion resistance and like some weatherproofing. Very well made machine. Like that's the first thing going through my head when I was training with it. Everything is so much easier. Like another cool thing about the new printer though is for the modes for printing. On this one, there are so many more options you can choose. And one thing the guy who came up to train helped with is we created a custom one for the cameras, like how they're more curved and stuff. The layout we created is using the middle channels of the print head. So rather than using the whole thing where it may like spray over on the side, it's only gonna hit those very specific areas and try to keep it as quality as possible. So the main thing holding the time back is being able to print the 3D mounts. It's 6.5 hours to actually print it out, and then you have to wait it to cool as well. Because if you just try to take it off the plate, it may warp the plastic, and that's why we're also rolling out like a couple SKUs at a time. Is in order for me to make the mounts and actually print them out, it's going to take a little bit. Yeah. Luckily, L series is only going to be a total like 7 mounts because a lot of the SKUs share the same housing.
So color branding will be available probably next month. We'll start off with having color branding available for L series, and then we're going to have guard series available soon after that. But it's going to be available very soon, so make sure you're ready for that. Because it's a color printer, this is going to be a part of our premium branding service we offer here. The good news is that it's only going to cost around $1 extra per camera that you want your logo color branded onto. And that's all there is. Prepare to have your company logos in full vibrant colors branded right onto your security products here in the near future. You're gonna wanna stay tuned for the news on this. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel or following us on all our socials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.